Now we're going to take what we know about triangles and what we talked about yesterday and apply it to shapes we have not talked about previously. A regular pentagon has how many sides? Pentagon has how many sides? 5, count them. How many interior angles does it have? How many interior angles does it have? Also 5. A regular polygon has the same sides, number of sides as they do interior angles, and they're all the same size. We're again, and they did it for us, you're going to take a vertex, and I'm always taking the bottom left, and you're going to connect that vertex to all the rest of the vertices. This is a side, Dara. This one goes across the pentagon. This one goes across the pentagon, and that's a side. So you're always making one fewer lines than there are sides, because one of the vertices that you're talking about, right? Notice I'm not going from the middle of the shape, I'm going from one of the outside edges. We have made 3 triangles. What do you know about the interior measurement of each triangle? What do we know about the angle measurement in a triangle? It's 180. So this would be 180, this is 180, and this is 180. How many are there? So how would I figure out what the total amount of the interior angle is? If I know they're each 180, you multiply it by 3. And so the sum of the interior angle is 540 degrees because there are 3 triangles, and we have proven every triangle is 180 degrees. So even though we have a shape we have not dealt with yet, we can figure out, based on what we do know, what the interior angle is so far. I'm with you, Mrs. Smith. Yeah? We're just following the pattern. Times 1. Really, this up here would be 1 times 180, right? Because there's just one of them. Here it's 180 times 2. Here it's a 3 times 180. How do I figure out then each interior angle? How do I know how big this measurement is right here? If there are 5 interior angles and I know the whole thing has 540 degrees, Zach.
You will take 540 and divide it by 5.
Why by 5?
Because that's how many angles there are.
Aha. Someone help me out. Is that 108, right?
108.
It's 108, right? Check my math. I think I could do that on my own, Mrs. Smith. Maybe. Let's see. Hexagon has how many sides and how many angles? 6. And so I pick a vertice. That one's a side. That one goes across the triangle, across the triangle, across the triangle. Oh, curses. It's just another side. How many triangles have we created?
4.
4. I'm having a hard time this morning. Find the sum of the interior angles and the measure of each interior angle on your own based on our pattern. Go. Do both of those boxes on your own. I think you can do it. If you're not sure, look at what we've done previously. Who thinks they can explain it? Who thinks they can explain it? Talk amongst your table mates. Do that first. Talk amongst your table mates. See if you can come up with an answer.